Hello everyone. So we have learned that NumPy arrays support vectorized operations. That is, you can apply functions for the elements in the NumPy array. But it is not supported in case of Python list. So let us see it practically. So first I will create one array A1 equal to np.array 1, 2, 3, 4 bracket close. So this is the array A1. Now I will create a list L1 equal to 6, 7, 8, 9 bracket close. So this is the list. So L1 is our list. So now we have an array A1 and list L1. Now suppose I want to add 2 for the list. So what I will do, L1 plus 2. So see, can only concatenate list, not int to list, because this is coming because we cannot have vectorized operations operated for a list in Python. We cannot add 2 to the individual elements of a list. Now suppose I will write A1 plus 2. So you see, when I have added 2 to the elements of array A1, so 1 plus 2 will give you 3, 2 plus 2 will give you 4, 3 plus 2 will give you 5, 4 plus 2 will give you 6. So it is said that NumPy arrays support vectorized operations. Thank you.